How do you make the selection of your actors?
It was also very long
Long process?
Yes. With Myros, with Lucas, I was working in my first feature. He was having second leading role. So I knew him, but it took me to come back to him because I don't know, it was for half a year we were searching for actors, because I know that for Lucas it needs to be an actor, and for Aurora it wasn't the case to have an actor. She could be not non-professional. Just I was searching for interesting face, for something that is for individuality, and for a girl who would carry the mystery already inside her, and yeah. So finally, when I made a big round, when I searched all theaters in Lithuania, in different cities and etc., so I finally came back to Marius, and to Jurga. She came quite accidentally to us. Because I knew her, but she was already acting in 2 features before, but not such wide range of emotional. So I was thinking, okay, maybe I will find my face. It was somehow, I don't know, ambition. But finally, she came to the casting, and when I saw her, it was. Because what I like about Jurga, that she can be very aristocrat, very femme fatale, and gorgeous goddess, but at the same time she makes a switch and she's a simple girl, and she loses, and she's yeah, like totally changes, and her eyes and her smile, and so she has this unexpected angles. And this is what it is, Aurora.